Guys, John here, super pumped you signed up for the live training. It's going to be action-packed, and hold on, I'm going to tell you in a second how to claim your $200 worth of attendance bonuses. So now, as long as you attend, make sure you attend and stay to the end of the webinar, and I'm actually going to be giving you a free course on how to create an online marketing business, all the basics of creating an online marketing business. Now, during the webinar, the live training, we're going to be going over how to do this live. I'm actually going to be on the webinar showing you a live ad campaign that will hopefully be making me hundreds of dollars an hour. That's generally what we do on these things. So you guys will not want to miss that. And we're going to build the business live, and I'm going to go over everything you need to create a seven-figure business online. So all of this is requiring no clients, no product, no email list, no crazy fancy software. Everything I'm going to show you is you can do right now and start earning your first commissions literally tonight. So I'm going to be opening up the live room about 15 minutes early. So somewhere in that range, 10 to 15 minutes early, I'm going to be on there. And I'll be hanging out. So make sure you guys sign up through the link. There should be a link below or somewhere that you can click on to go to the live room when it's open. Now, this training, it works, and it's created, this exact training you're going to has been able to create massive success stories. You're gonna see, I should be putting some of my success stories over to the right, but we've actually had 4 people start million-dollar businesses based off of this exact training. Yeah, million-dollar businesses. I have multiple million-dollar plus students that have been created from this, and obviously I've been making millions of years using these exact same techniques that I'm gonna be going over in this webinar in a second. So yeah, basically, let me just see the room here. Basically, we're gonna open up quickly. You guys are gonna want to attend this through a desktop computer. Now, you're not gonna be able to get your live attendance bonuses if you're on a mobile phone. I don't think the links it just doesn't display correctly, and I don't know, there's all sorts of buggy things. It'll be laggy. So you want to attend this using a desktop computer, and I advise you come with a notepad. You come with a pad, a pen, and a paper, and also you want to be somewhere quiet where you can be focused on this training, because what this does is extremely transformational. This has created so many success stories, and it's the easiest way to get started in online marketing. So super excited. Without further ado, I will let you guys at it. Again, this will be usually these webinars are packed, they're full, so make sure you're on time. Otherwise, you may not get a seat. The software only allows 1,000 people to be on at one time. So super excited. Check you out on the webinar. Link should be below, and stay to the end and you'll get your live attendance bonuses, whole free training course. See you there.